Hi guys, it's Ian here at Rec Power, and I just want to walk you through this awesome used sledding trailer that I got for you. So this is made by Mirage Trailers. Really awesome trailer brand. They make some really high quality stuff. And when I walk you through this, you'll definitely see that. So starting off at the front here, you'll see we do have some propane tanks. Really nice. You'll see why that's important later. We have a 7-pin connection here, so you do have trailer brakes on this unit. And then looking at the front itself, you'll see we have the nice V-front design. Really makes it nice for towing, a little more aerodynamic, better on fuel. We have this chrome nose cap. Looks really sharp. And then we also have the checkered plating here to help with any rock damage, help prevent that, right? You'll notice straight off the bat that we do have a door on the front here. Makes it really nice, so you can open this, you can drive your sleds through the front and out the back, or you can do vice versa. So there's no trying to back your sleds out. Makes it really convenient. On the other side of the front here, we also have our power hookup, just to mention real quick. Now if you look down below here, you'll see there is a little rock tamer down here, just to protect the underside of that trailer even more. Now moving down the side here, you'll see it's in really good shape. It's a nice aluminum trailer. We got the really nice gray and black decals there. Now, I will just point out, so you're aware of everything, there is a little bit of aluminum corrosion there from the salt. Just to point out, fairly normal. This one's actually really minimal for the year, but just so you know about it. Now we do have the nice upgraded black alloy wheels, look really sharp. And then you'll also notice we have a diesel fuel tank in this, which will become important later on as well. Coming down the side, you'll see there's more of this diamond plating on the bottom here. Just more protection over and over again, right? Now coming around to the back here, you'll see we do have a nice light up top there that you can turn on, really shine out. So if it's dark out, you still get some light up here. Makes unloading and loading really easy. Now this whole back opens up. There's enough room here so you can even put a side-by-side in if you want as well. Really nice big trailer. Now coming along to the other side here, you'll see on this side we have the filler for the fuel tank. So we have diesel on that side, and then we have gasoline on this side. Now coming along with that, over here we have a pump and a fuel nozzle, and then we also have our fuel gauge, so you can see your diesel and your gas, and then you have your on-off switch for your pump there. Now this is a really nice feature, because you can fill that tank up, and then with these two ports on the side of the trailer, you can use it to fill your sleds up while they're still in there and you're nice and warm inside. Now if you want to follow me inside, we'll take a look around and you'll see just how awesome this trailer is. Hello! So now we're inside here. As you can see, the first thing that jumps out at you is these really bright LED lights along with those nice green ones. So if it's nighttime, you also have the option to turn all these guys off individually, and it kind of saves your eyesight at night just having the green lights on. So that's a nice feature. Next to our main light switch here, we also have the light switch for the outside. So nice and easy, all in one place. Now if you look over here, you'll see we have our heater. So this whole heating system in here, it can be run on diesel or propane. So it keeps the inside of this trailer nice and warm for you. We have a nice storage cabinet here, so you can keep some belts in there for your sleds, oil, anything you need. It's nice to keep it tidy for you. Down below here, we have our dual battery system. So that's what's running all the lights right now, but you also can, again, plug that in. Now, you'll see here, we have our front door here. So It's really nice tucked away here, and there is Superglides on it. There's Superglides throughout this entire trailer. So really, really nice feature that costs some good money to get done, but it's already done for you, which is awesome. Now moving further back, you'll look up, you'll see we have some speakers on the roof. Moving on down even more, you'll see we have our gear dryer. So this works in conjunction with the heater. You can put your boots on there, gloves, anything you need to. Help dry it, keep it warm, nice and cozy for your mountain rides. Now moving on a little more, we also have a TV in this. So that works with the speakers obviously, right? You have really nice TV here. You can hang out, work on your sleds, watch some shows, some YouTube, anything you want. We have a nice little workbench down here. We also have one on the other side there. They're nice and easy to use. To open them, you just pull them up. Now, if you want to close them, put your hands underneath, lift up. It's as easy as that. So really, really nice to work with. Now moving on down, we have some more storage space for you. So again, the heat actually comes into this, so you can keep anything that you don't want to get too cold inside here. You have all your stereo controls here. You also have some charging systems, your power, all right there, all in one place for you. And again, more storage. This will bring us back to the main door here. As you can see, it is quite tall there. So again, you can fit lots of stuff inside here, not just sleds. Superglides, spare tire here, and there are a couple fans throughout the trailer. So if you're using this in the summer for your quads or anything like that, you can keep it a little cooler inside. Now looking down, you can see all the Superglides there, all the super clamp spots, and then just your regular tie downs as well. Now, these are the doors that you saw from the outside. So this is where you would pull through your fuel nozzle, and then you would just fuel up your sleds right inside here where it's nice and warm. We have our thermostat here, nice and easy to read. And then finally, we just have some more storage solutions. You can hang up some gear here, keep it to the side, out of the way. Some more storage for anything like your oils, stuff like that. Now, if you're looking to go on some awesome sledding adventures this winter season, come check out this really cool trailer, and it'll be sure to be everything you need and more. You can fit at least 4 sleds in here, plus all your gear. Your fuel is tucked away, and you'll stay nice and warm. Now, if you want to see this unit or any others like it, please come on down to Recreational Power Sports, and we'd be happy to help you out.